Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are actually going to learn a few things. So the very first thing which we are going to learn is how to go ahead and create a Numpy array. So we are going to learn a simple method to create a Numpy array. We are also going to learn how to convert that particular single dimensional Numpy array into a multi-dimensional Numpy array. Then after that we are also going to learn how we could go ahead and define the minimum dimensions while creating a Numpy array. So let's go ahead and learn how to do that. So what we will do here is that first we will try to create a Numpy array, and obviously when you want to create a Numpy array you obviously want to import the Numpy module. So you type in import Numpy, and we are actually going to import Numpy. This is not Mumpy, that should be Numpy. So we type import Numpy as, let's say, np, and that's actually going to import the module as np. So instead of typing numpy everywhere, you could simply specify np. And the first thing which you could do is that you could actually go ahead and create a numpy array from a particular list. So let's go ahead and learn how to do that. So let's first name our array as a. So we type a equals, and whenever you actually want to create a numpy array, you simply type np, which is nothing but numpy, as I earlier mentioned. So you type np.array. So you type np.array, and you simply need to pass a list over here. So let's say that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So once you do that, let's see what happens when you print out the value of a. So if you type in print and pass in a over here, and once you run this code, as you could see, now you have this particular numpy array over here. Now this actually looks quite a bit like a list or a common array which you always have. Now let's learn how we could go ahead and convert this particular array into a multi-dimensional numpy array. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to remove one excess element. So let's assume that we only have 4 elements over here in this particular list. So when you run this code, you will obviously have a numpy array with 4 elements. Now there is one method which you could use to convert this particular numpy array into a multi-dimensional array. So what you essentially want to do is that you want to type in the array name, which is a, then you use a method which is going to be called as a reshape method. So if you type in reshape over here, it actually gives you options to specify the dimensions. So let's say you want a 2 by 2 array, and always make sure that whenever you pass these two items, the multiplication of these two numbers should actually be equal to the number of values present in your array. So for example, if you multiply 2 by 2, that means we will have 4 elements in our array, which seems to be accurate. So you could essentially go ahead and run this code, and that's actually going to give you a 2 by 2 multi-dimensional numpy array. So if you run this code, as you could see, now you have a new array, and that array is nothing but a 2-dimensional array, as you could see. So you could go ahead and create as many number of arrays as you want. So that's it for this lecture, and I hope you guys were able to understand how to go ahead and create a numpy array from a particular list, and how to actually go ahead and add dimensions to your particular array. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.